The history of bridges. Basically, what are the bridges are the obstruction, uh, the way created by the human to clear the obstruction. Sometimes it may be natural due to some weathering action, or due to falling trees, or due to some earth actions. The natural bridge may form. So these are the first man-made bridges, basically made up of the wood or the falling trees. These are the simple beam bridges, and logs are formed the beam. These are also the initial bridges. These are the arch bridges and some more advanced bridges. These are the some more type of bridges. Here you can see the long span bridges. So by simple series of simple beam spans, we can extend the bridge for substantial length. Here you can see same case over here in the sea. These are the few examples of this. Now the bridges. When all a society has to build with a stone and wood, the individual span length of a simple bridge, initially it was very short. The new technology needed to span greater distance, withstand with the greater roads, and withstand with the effect of weathering. The solution is the arch bridge. So initially we started the long bridges, or the sustainable bridges on the basis of arch action, that is arch bridges. Today also we can able to see so many arch bridges, or all over Maharashtra. So many bridges are there which are using arch action and are built in the British rule. And with the arch, everything is in compression all the time, as we have learned already in the structural mechanics. Here you can see some more examples of arch bridges. Basically, arch bridges are made up of the stone material initially. Then later on they have introduced the concrete in it also. Even some steel bridges are also there with the arch action. So here we can see the multiple spans by the multiple arches. These are the some concrete bridges. These are some more examples of this. Then once the material were available to engineers which could take attention that new type of arch bridge has been appeared. This is the new type of arch bridge, that is suspended deck arch bridge. In this, the arch has been constructed and deck has been suspended with the suspenders to this arch. Here you can see some more examples. This is the famous one, that is Sydney Bridge. Basically these are made up of steel. These are some more examples which are under construction now. Then the need of span increased distances continued to the pressure bridge designers. With a new material of steel available with the superior performance intention, the new designs made bridges longer and stronger, which are the truss bridges. This is mainly the railway pools in India are made up of this truss bridges. Here you can see. These are the truss bridges. These are the moving type of truss bridges, in which that middle span has been moved and make a way for the navigation. Still, there is a need of longer span. So, as technology development in the suspension bridge, the bridge has been suspended. In northeast of India, so many suspended bridges has been constructed by using the ropes. So initially, while designing, the two trees has been tied with the rope, and on the rope some planks or something has been stored, and those things can be used as a rope bridge. Those are the initial suspension bridges. The cables of the suspension bridge are not fixed to the top, but rather, as photo shows, they are free to move as the bridge moves. Here you can see the cables and the suspenders. These are the example of the suspension bridges. This is the famous Brooklyn Bridge. In January 17, 1905, the Kobe earthquake has represented right between the two towers of Akashic Street Bridge. The original planned length of 1990 meters for the main span, but seismic event moved the tower apart by almost a meter. Since construction of the deck is not yet begun, this change can easily accommodate by slightly alter the final design. The towers of the bridge contain tuned mass dampers in order to diminish the vibration of earthquake. These are some examples. Now the cable stayed bridge. The most recent development in bridge design does not make any dramatic increase in span, and rather it allows the mid-sized bridges to build with less material, therefore making the bridges more economical to build and to maintain. These are the cable stayed bridges. Here you can see the cable stayed bridges. The excellent example of cable stayed bridge is Bandra Worli Sea Link. That is famous bridge has been built between Bandra and Worli. These are few cable stayed bridges. So in near future, as new lightweight synthetic material become more common, ever more impressive bridges will be built. The current next step is to bridge is the Strait of Gibraltar, that is crossing the big spans